Let's play in the water.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, right again. Away feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's Disney World vlog, where we are hanging out at Typhoon Lagoon, which is one of Disney World's fantastic and super fun water parks. So glad that you're here with us. Let's go have some fun. She already knows to report to the life jacket location and get a life jacket. And these are free to use, no problem. Did it have sand on it, baby? Yeah. Do you need help or you got it? Awesome. You want it? Okay, let's go. Go out there. Goodbye, Annie. Okay, you gotta do it again. Fun? This is the big wave pool. Are you ready for that?
Pretty big. It's not a small wave.
Ready?
Alright, ready?
Okay.
Put my head tight. Yeah!
Here it comes. You ready? Hold on. Here it goes. Are you gonna jump? Ready?
Fantastic!
It's fantastic?
No, fantastic!
Fantastic! Woo!
Oh, here goes another one.
Woo! Nice! What, baby? Nice! Good job! Here it comes! You ready? Look at that! Ready? You gotta jump good! Ready? Good! Woo! You good? Mommy got wet on that one.
I got one too.
Yeah, good jump. That's a big wave. Another big wave. Good job. You are good. Swimming, swimming, swimming.
Stop! Wait!
Okay. Are we gonna capture another wave?
No.
You wanna get another wave? It's like a wave from like North Shore, Hawaii, right? No big deal, right? We just got back from Hawaii. We're good, right? Just pretend like you're boogie boarding.
I'm not a boogie.
Right, but just pretend like the waves. You're good. Here comes another wave. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta jump really good. Ready? Ready, jump! Nice! That was big. Are you gonna help mommy? Yeah?
It's easiest to roll.
Yes. Okay, there's our raft, Annie. Let's go. Ready? Are we go? Okay, awesome. Hello, thank you. Okay, this is ours. You gonna help me?
No, I'm gonna sit.
No, you can't sit in it. You crazy. You good, Annie? Hey, baby. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right, mommy. Just one handle at all times for me. You got it. Okay. Ready?
Hold
Hold on. There you go. Hold on to her.
I'm
There
going
you
to
go.
be right there.
Okay. Ooh. Hey, sit down. Okay. Oh no! You okay? You regret that decision? Sit down. Oh! Hold on. No more moving. Hold on. No more. Woo! Oh no! Here's the car! Oh no! Oh no! You good?
Here we go.
Here we go. Woo!
Ah!
All right. Nice.
No!
Good job. You want to go have fun in the pool? Okay. Be careful on your step. There you go. Nice. What did you say? What are we doing? Lazy liver, everybody. That's what she calls it. Are you lazy rivering it, Annie? Ooh, we're gonna swim a little bit. Yes?
If there's any waterfalls, I'll pull you to the rock.
You wanna put me in the waterfall?
Yeah.
I think that is rude.
I think that's nice.
You think it is?
Because you always say it fresh.
Oh, it's refreshing. You're right, it is. Well, let's float all the way to the next slide.
Okay, well,
Okay. Oh, here's a waterfall up there. Oh no!
okay,
Are you gonna put me in the waterfall? Annie? Here we go. We're going under. Yes, try to miss it. Oh! You almost touched the ground? Oh, you are on the ground. The back side of the waterfall. Pretty waterfall. You gonna go get in it? Let me put you in it. Ah, I'm gonna put you in it. I'm gonna put you in it. Ah! Are you sure you want to do this? For real, for real? Okay. Okay, this is the cast member you're listening to, okay? Bye, baby. Good job! Come on, let's swim over. Was it fun? Nope, can't. It's a slide. Come on. Was it fun? Was it more fun than Alani? Yep. Okay, come on, let's get out. Scared at all?
No.
You weren't?
No.
Are you gonna make us do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Storm slides. Let's go, sister. Let's do it.
Hey, I'll see you down there.
You wait. Okay? Okay? Hey, see ya. See ya. Bye. Oh man, this one's a lot faster. Oh man. Woo! Woo! Oh, I hear her. Woo! Woo! Got it? Does it feel good? Okay, it's our turn. Our float is next. Yep. You ready? We're only gonna get just a little wet. What's on you? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, this is ours. Okay.
And hold on to the handles at all times. When you've completed your adventure, exit immediately to your left.
You good, sis? Nothing much happening right now.
I just need, oh god.
You what? You're not scared at all?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because I wrote it before.
Okay, here we are.
I think I'll
You probably will scream. That sounds right. Got it. Ready? Here we go. Oh, another two. Got us.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Here we go. Oh, here comes the wave. Come on, let's go, go, go. Come on, let's go into it. Go, go, go. Let's go. Here comes the wave. Here it comes. Jump. Jump, jump, jump.
I did it!
You did it. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, Annie. Let's wait for the next big one.
Don't look away.
Okay. Here it comes. Ready? Here it comes. Ready? Let's jump. Nice.
I'm happy.
Woo! I'm so glad that you're happy.
Happy.
I'm happy. Clap along if you feel. Woo! That looked fun. We're gonna do the wave pool again. Woo! Let's do it, sis. Yes, honey. Okay, swim on over to our spot. Over this way. This way. This way. This way. Here's the dressing room. It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but we're gonna do it. Okay?
Call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day,